Hi, I'm Leiza, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIIES. Start the clock. Our week started quietly, with our virtue of the week being tolerance. Tuesday, the Grade 6 E's had their celebration of learning. On Wednesday, the Grade 6 E's took a field trip to Parliament for their IPC unit, Champions for Change. Thursday, the third Virtues Workshop for parents happened, where they looked at how to set clear boundaries. Also, there was a staff cricket match after school. On Friday, another exciting episode of The Pulse aired during our weekly whole school assembly. We wish our high school friends all the best for their graduation on Saturday. Thanks for joining us on The Week That Was. We'll see you again next week.